So people are asking, well, what is in the Jamaican stone? The Jamaican stone is made of tree sap and herbs in a small stone shape. It can be applied directly to the penis and said to last a very long time. There is an expiry date. Most people that are trying to sell Jamaican stone on the internet says that there's no expiry date. But being a herb and a tree sap, there's definitely an expiry date of approximately a year to a year and a half. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. If you're looking for the real Jamaican stone, again, this is what the real Jamaican stone looks like. And look for this trusted label, original Jamaican love stone. Again, Jamaican love stone. Helps with premature ejaculation, and even if you don't have a problem with premature ejaculation. Also just helps to prolong sex.